Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to delete search history on Chrome in 2020, alright? So to do this, just open up a new Chrome window, like so. Now go up to the top right corner, click on these three dots, go down to history, click on history. Okay, so here you can see your browsing data. You can delete this one by one by clicking on the three dots next to the search. Click on remove from history, like so. You can also check more than one, like so, and click on delete right up here. So remove selected items. Are you sure that you want to delete these pages from your history? If you're sure, click on remove, like so, and they're gone. You can also go right here in the left sidebar menu, click on clear browsing data. So here you can choose time range, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, okay? So let's say I want to have last 24 hours. Check this one, browsing history. Uncheck this one, cookies and other data. You can also uncheck this one, cached images and files. After that, just click on clear data, like so. If I now go back to history, we can now see that we have search history deleted for the past 24 hours, because today it's 28th of May 2020. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete search history on Chrome in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.